Hey there! Imagine the internet is like a giant playground. There are swings, slides, and games everywhere. But here's the thing. A few big kids own all the playground equipment. If you want to play, you have to follow their rules. If the big kids say, "No more swinging, you have to stop." If they take away your toy, it's gone. That's kind of like today's internet. Big companies control a lot of what happens online. Now imagine, what if everyone owned the playground together? No bossy big kids. Everyone brings their own toys, plays freely, and helps keep everything fair. That's what Web3 is, like a new internet where everyone shares ownership. But wait, how do we make sure no one cheats? That's where a magic notebook comes in. This notebook keeps track of who owns what, swings, balls, stickers, and no one can erase or fake it. This magic notebook is called a blockchain. In Web3, if you earn a cool digital sticker or toy, it's truly yours. No one can take it away, not even the biggest kid in the playground. It's like having your name written forever in the magic notebook. So Web3 is like building a new kind of internet playground, where everyone owns their fun, no one's the boss, and the magic notebook makes sure everything's fair. Cool, right? If you liked this little story about Web3, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech stories. The future of the playground is just beginning.